Foreign investors, do you want to build and sell houses here in Southwest Florida and not sure what your first steps are? Stick around and let's discuss it. This video is not legal or financial advice, and you should always consult with a professional in their designated fields. That's my disclaimer. Let's get into it. The most critical part about this whole process is getting your visa, which will enable you to receive a social security number that will allow you to hold a personal or business loan along with the ability to pay taxes. You'll need to contact your immigration attorney to speak about the different visa options you may be eligible for. The next step is to create your business through the state of Florida. The website is www.sunbiz.org. Then apply for the employer identification number, or commonly known as EIN. I strongly recommend hiring an accountant to advise the best business structure to set up for you, and they will file your business documents and apply for your EIN number and make sure that you are set up properly. After that, you'll visit the bank with your passport and a second form of identification to open up your bank account. Be sure that you have your foreign address and your domestic address, which cannot be a PO box. At this point, you are set up and have the ability to move your cash around as needed to start investing in Southwest Florida. So here's a quick overview of what the future steps would look like if you were to invest in our area of Florida. So first, we would discuss the following: the areas you would be looking to invest, the pros and cons of those areas, what the home buyer profile is moving into the area, what size houses to build along with the bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage, perform a market analysis for what those homes sell for and what buyers are looking for in the home, identify the lot, put an offer in on the lot, walk the lot and send you a video, have the builder walk the lot, surveys, and any other inspections during the due diligence period, then make sure there's a clear title on the lot so you're ready to build. Finally, purchase the lot, sign a contract with the builder, go through permitting and constructing the home. Once the home is completed and we receive the final CO or certificate of occupancy is issued, we'll sell the home, and that's it. That's like an oversimplification of the entire process, but in the most basic way, that's the entire process, how buying land and building new construction will work in our area. Our number one goal is to ensure that you're profitable and you continue to buy, build, and sell. Hopefully this makes sense. If it does and you have questions, my information is going to pop up right below here. Feel free to call, text, or email me, or in the description box below, I should have my Calendly link where you could click it and just jump right into my schedule, where we could do either a Google Meet, a phone call, or meet at my office if you have any additional questions. If you're an investor watching this video and there's something specific that you're wanting to know, please drop it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to create a video and answer it, or just reply to the comment itself. Last thing, if you are interested in new construction or purchasing land, be sure to check out these videos somewhere over here that will take you to a playlist with all my videos regarding new construction and purchasing lots and what to look for. This video is short and sweet, and I'll see you in the next video.